So this is a project I have been working on from past 3 weeks. So without any further ado, let's get started from the ground up. So I'm using 4 N20 motors and a 12-volt battery over here. And to control the motors, I'm using a motor driver over here, which is L2918 motor driver. And I've additionally fitted 4 servo motors as a gripper, and the whole thing is powered by an ESP32 dev board. So coming to the software part, I'm using a web page to control this whole robot. You can see over here, you press forward, and forward, press backward, it's moving backward, left, right. Yeah, and also I can control this whole servos, but right now it's very jittery, need to play around with the softwares somewhat. So yeah, that was all about robot. I think I'll be naming this as the Dusty project. Yeah, so that was it. So this is the demo of the movement. If you press forward,